I think we could drill each hand in both directions individually, and we don't even have to start with two hands. We could just do one-handed drills and see how this goes. So we'll do forward and reverse, and then we'll do the opposite direction ones. So let's start with the right arm up, left arm down, and we'll do 15 going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, strong core, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and now reverse backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then both arms down. And now we'll do right front, left back, both up, right back, left down, left front, both down. Right front, then up and down, up and down, up and down. 4 and down, 5 down, 6 down, 7 down, 8 down, 9 down, 10 down, 11 down, 12 down, 13 down, 14 down, 15 down, and reverse, left front and down, down, 3 and down, 4 and down, 5 and down, 6 down, 7 down, 8 down, 9 down, 10 down, 11 down, 12 down, 13 down, 14 down, 15 and down. Woo! You should turn around and face the other way so that when you're in your back position, you can see me better. Just remember, your front is there, my front is here, so we're just in opposite places. So we go to the front, and that one's pretty easy, but what'll happen is you'll be opened up like this, right? So your hip will be back to the right because your right hand will be back here. Then what's gonna happen is you go up and over, and you move your hip so that it opens to the back, yes. And then you're gonna go back to the starting position. Let's do just the forward positions. So the bottom, then the front, open your hip to the right, then go up, and then your hip comes back to neutral when it's up, and then go back so that you open to the left, and then come down. So we'll do 4 rotations in each position, remembering that you switch between opening to the right, going neutral, opening to the left, and then going neutral. So 5, 6, 7, 8, front, opening to the right, and up, 2, 3 in neutral, and then back and opening to the left, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4, left front, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4, left back, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4, left front, 2, 3, 4, and up, and left back, and come down. Opening the hip, left front, and going up, left back, 4 and down, 2, 3, 4, left front, 2, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4, left back, 2, 3, 4, and last set, 2, 3, 4, and front, 2, 3, 4, left up, 2, 3, 4, left back, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4. If you know what you're doing, you can choose to turn or not, whatever you want. So we'll do right hand overhand. And so it'll be in the bottom. And then you'll go to the front. As you go to the front, remember to open to the left. And then we'll go to the up position and pulse your elbow to help keep the plane straight. And then you pop it back behind you as you open your hip to the right. And then you're gonna come back down to the starting position, which should be the easiest. And then we'll go front, 2, 3, 4, back to neutral, up, 2, 3, 4, right back, 2, 3, 4, and down, 2, 3, 4, front, open left, 3, 4, and up, 2, 3, 4, right back, 2, 3, 4, and down, and third set, right front, opening left, then come up, and bring your right hand back, and then come down, and fourth set, right front, left back, both up, and right back, and down. One more set, and so 5, 6, 7, 8, right front, opening left, and then bring the right up, and then right back, and down. Let's go back to the left hand, and let's do the 2 position drill. And what I mean by that is starting with your left in the front, your right hip is still open to the right, and then you're gonna go up and over and open your hip to the left as you go up and over, and then you're gonna go down in front, opening to the right. Then up and over, and then down in front, and up and over, and down in front, and up and over, and down in front, and up and over, down in front, 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 up and over, down in front. Okay, so for this one, with the right hand, we start with the right hand in front, the hip is open to the left, and we're gonna go up and over, and then down in front, and then up and over, and then down in front, up and over, and down in front, up and over, 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 down in front, and up and over, down in front, 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 2 more sets, up and over, down in front, and last set, up and over, and down in front.